Greetings viewers, this is the Car Doctor coming to you today with a quick tip for owners of 01 through 07 GM Duramax equipped vehicles experiencing a no start condition after the fuel filter has been changed. Your likely problem is air in the fuel system, and the likely remedy would be to perform a fuel filter priming procedure. The fuel filter is located on the right side of the engine area. And once the fuel filter has been changed, in order to prime the system, you simply turn the bleeder screw counterclockwise a couple turns and then push the primer pump until fuel comes out of the bleeder screw area. Now tighten down the bleeder screw, and you want to make sure and clean up any extra fuel hanging around. But then after you've performed that procedure and cleaned things up, go ahead and try to restart the vehicle. If it still doesn't start, try it again. Keep going through the procedure, and that should get you back on the road. Really quick fix, but commonly overlooked issue. And hopefully this helps. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for the likes and subscriptions, and I wish you good luck with your repairs. Have a good one.